Hi friends, how are you? My name is Anna and today we're gonna be checking out this Brigii 3-in-1 handheld vacuum. This product, it might be tiny, but it's the perfect Christmas gift for any busy mom. So stay tuned, we're gonna check it out and try it on several places of my house. Okay, my dear friends, so here's how it looks like. Look how beautiful it is. Here is the power button on the back. It has a USB-C charging port that comes inside of the box. Here is the part where you will be installing, like different and multiple accessories that it brings to give you a better cleaning power suction. It has several that you can place in there. It has a very well designed, just wanted to show you real quick. So if you can see, it has different heads that you're gonna be placing. So it's very helpful, it's very handy, like you can keep it in tiny areas like your car. It's the perfect gift for any mom. We're gonna be trying it out, so stay tuned. My friends, let me tell you something. I really love this product. I think it's very practical and useful. And not only that, but when you finish to use it, you have this cute bag where you can place all of the parts that you have used it. And of course, you can place it inside of it as well. So simple as this, and you can keep it in a safe storage. I really recommend this product, and I feel that it will make an amazing gift during these holidays.